You are going to love the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.